In this video, we're going to learn how collision detection works. That means we'll check if two objects touch each other, and whenever they do, we'll print a message in the console. Let's jump in and build it together. First, let's create two rectangles on the screen. Rect1 is the red box that will move with the arrow keys. Rect2 is a green box that stays in place. Speed controls how fast we move, and count will keep track of how many times a collision happens. Next, this line adds a short delay to our loop so things don't run too fast. Now we check for key presses to move our red rectangle. So when you press the arrow keys, Rect1 moves in that direction. Then we clear the screen and draw both rectangles. Now here's the fun part. Collision detection. We're using colliderect to check if Rect1 and Rect2 are touching. If they are, we increase the count and print a message in the console. Finally, we update the screen with this code. Let's run the code and see what happens. Now use your arrow keys to move the red box. As soon as it touches the green box, boom, it prints collision detected in the console. And if you stop colliding, the message stops too. Then, if you hit it again, it prints again and keeps counting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow if you're learning something cool. See you in the next video.